So this is the sump pump line that comes out. The
yeah, that all takes care of.
Hold on, let me think here. So the plumber goes, hey, have it dumped down straight down to a hard pipe, and shoot it that way.
Yeah.
This thing ain't running. It's not going to run much. It doesn't run all the time.
Oh, okay. It's not a daily thing.
It's not a daily thing.
Okay, but it still needs to come out further than that.
Yeah. He said take it out. He said take it way out to here.
Well, we would take it to the hill so it goes going out.
That's exactly. He said push it.
But if we're
way
going to
out.
do that, you want to take these other gutters too, Scotty? No. What does Mom want to do?
Hide that. I want that hidden. You know, he said bring it out like out to here.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. No, the gutters are fine.
Is this all we're doing here?
Yeah, that's all.
All right.
That's easy.
This is $3 million.
That's fine.
Cash.
I got right. Well, you want cash here? I got to go to the guy around the corner doing the yard work at my house, and here's cash. There's cash right here. I kid you not.
Alrighty, we're on a drainage install in the rain in Crofton. What a mess out here today. How'd you get us involved in this?
I don't think it was me. I thought it was you.
Oh, how'd you make out with the straw? All good?
Yeah.
All done?
Yeah, all done.
Good deal. You want to go that way? Or you want to go over here?
Up to you, but are we gonna bury the?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Go down a little bit below, then come out.
Okay.
Get your vent, okay? And then you guys want to go that way? That's fine.
I have just because there's a natural little.
Yeah, hill. Yeah. Because if you come this way, it'll be longer. Yeah. That's fine.
Just so we can. It's already dips down here. Cut it at an angle.
Yep, 45 it right here. Let it come out.
Only a little bit of water. It'll puddle up here and soak up naturally, or if it
Yep.
gets to be too much.
Yep. I like your idea better than mine. Yep, that'll work. What's up with this weather today?
I don't know.
It's supposed to drizzle 6, 7 o'clock, and now it's going on 10 o'clock, and it's still raining. What's up with that? What's up with that, Byron? Huh? Oh, better cut that off. What's up, Dave? Where's your wig? Where's your blonde wig at? Dave said, I'm not wearing no wig.
Not in the rain. Look at all the gas.
Lady, I would take this right up to there. That's what my thought is. You guys don't agree? I like to take the 4-inch right up.
All the way.
Well, that way when it dumps in here, you won't have any blowback.
Yeah.
But you know what? Another thing about that is you probably could do it this way because this sump pump doesn't come on very much, Scotty said. So,
I don't know how nice.
well, you can go into there. If you got that far on it, more I think about it, you got enough fall on it. You follow me? It'll kick into there. So you'll be okay because it's going to go, what size you got there? 1.5 inch, 2 inch?
1.5 inches. 1.5
Inch and a half?
Yep.
So you're going to take 1.5 inches right to here? Yeah, you'll be okay. As long as it's got a place so it can expand, you're okay. That'll work. You know, when you got a sump pump that's constantly dumping every minute, that's when the problem happens if you don't take it right into 4. But if Letty takes it 1.5 inches right into here, and then it has a place to expand and go, then it won't be no problem.
Yeah, the homeowner's saying it's only going to run on heavy storms every once in a while.
Yeah, that's fine. That's more than fine.
6 feet of.
Yep, and you got plenty of pipe coming in here, so it can come out. And as long as it's going in there, it's not nothing but the same or lower, then it'd be okay. This is going to be bigger, so we're okay. That'll work. All righty. Lady, you good? You good? You good? You good? You good? All right, going to the next job. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.